Hello, Miss Arlene. Hello, Miss Arlene.
Teacher Arlene. Miss Arlene.
Oh, teacher Arlene to reconnect. Oh, the literature teacher. She's ready. Yeah. Tra la 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 la. Yeah. She's trying to get some French fries. She's well, pretty and lovely. Okay.
Ayan, dito na kami ngayon para at least maka-join naman kayo sa amin dito. Sa aming celebration ng Labor Day weekend. Happy Labor Day weekend, guys.
Happy
Yan ang mga kasamahan ko para makita ninyo dito ako magtayo. O yan, inaantay sila. Uncle Ben, Alan Gay, and Ate Bing. Mga partner namin ito sa yung dalawang matanda na ito. Wala kasi silang anak. Meron ding anak si Uncle Ben noon, pero mga na. So, kaya palagi kaming nagkakasama nito. Mga Ilonggo man. Para sa Ate Bing. Kita mo, wala utang sa World Bank.
Excuse me.
Ay, sorry. Ayan, nakara si Ate Bing. I-share ko nga to sa'yo, Ate Bing, na wall. Paano ba ito mag-share? I don't know how to share. Mamaya na i-share ko lang sa'yo. Lagay ko sa wall mo para makita. Ayan si Ate Bing. Very sporty woman. Very sporty. Malakas yan. Kaya ganyan. Kahit magbuksingan pa kayo niyan. Mahilig yan sa mga sports. 30 anyos na di sa Amerika. Puro kraya lang Japon English na. Ginapikaw lang Japon ang kwarta na sa iya. Munang malam doon diya sa Amerika. Kaya kinarayaan mo lang Japon. Amoy ng mga Filipino. Hindi mo madula ang nila, ang native accent nila. Bisan mamalam doon sa Amerika di. Nalibot na doon Amerika. Kaya pa yung anang panghambal mo lang Japon. Kraya. Nan. No, damo nagalagaw-lagaw kay ti Labor Day weekend. Sara na, damo na di kay isa na siya diri sa we have our table now. You cannot sit over there? Where? My goodness, it will not like baka mahawaan ng COVID yung upuan. Kita nyo wala nagamask ka mga tao. Dere, amo na dere subong gamay na lang ang nagamask. Okay. Mostly sa mga tao, dere wala na nagamask. Kita nyo. Kuha na dere. Hello, Miga Gemma. How are you? Ara na si Karayang, si Bing, Lansford. Nga ang saliwat, ginahambal ko, 30 anyos, 35 anyos na sa Amerika. Pay kraya lang Japon, anang hinambalan. Anang in English, kraya lang Japon. Nandari kami sa higad sinang butir. May isa katuburan. Kita nyo dari, amo na dari kami. Sa bato nagkaili. Ang matinaw nga. Hinay ako yung basi ka blaso. Tadi kagkadlawan, tadamo nga daan ng mga kwan. I need piña colada, please. No alcohol. No alcohol, just plain piña colada. That's all I want for drink. Gonna show you around here, guys. Kanami dere sa Amon. Hello, Miga. Dere sa Miga? Sa Knoxville. Sa Knoxville River. Tapos may restaurant siya nga outdoor. May naman sa sulod Japon. Kung gusto mo sa sulod, may bar man sila dito. But then it's really nice today outside. So, dali lang kami sa Sagwa. Ara may taytay siya dito. Kita mo, kanami isang one of our favorite place to visit here. Sa Knoxville. This is like 1.5 and 30 minutes halin sa balay. Pero kami diri kay bala mo damo ko friends diri damo diri Filipinos. So sila Ate Bing amo nang upod namon sa bunga mag-asawa. Taga diri na sila sa Knoxville. Diri lang na ila balay may na sila diri. May balay man ginaparkilahan, may araman sila nga balay. Sa iya nga bana sa paano siya Air Force nagatrabaho na sa ambot ano ina nga company subong na clear wave phones whatever I don't know. So muna kita nyo. Amo ina diri ang thank you po Los Beminda Kolong. Shout out sa imo Palangga. Kita nyo ibalis ka doon ko ang camera ko para makita nyo. Ayan kami dito. Ayan. Pagwapa ako subong kay Happy Labor Day weekend. Muna diri ang amon. Kita nyo ang mga background ko. Madamo mga kano. Mga kano nagkakaraon. Uyon na nila basta sagwa. Sa outside, outdoor, they like it here. Sa muna, ay ako yan nahuya. Kita mo, nagatilinan. Naaw lang sila sa ako. I don't care kung ano. Matanaw sila sa ako. Kaya basta gwapa ako. Feeling gwapa ako. Nagaturulok lang sila sa ako. Kay gwapa daw ako. Kay gwapa daw ako. Amo na sila. Kita nyo ang palibot ko. Mga kano, mga kana. Ayan. Did you order mine? Did you order my piña colada? Huh? I don't need water. I need my piña colada. Let me see. What is the drink there? What is? Let me see. Why you are in the kids menu?
No, you are on the kids.
White sangria, summer lemonade, berry mojito. Hey, there you go, dear. Pirate piña colada. Piña colada. That's what I want.
Right.
There's
But
no
that's got
rum.
there's at least two rums. Pirate rum is one of them.
Can you tell them don't put that one?
Coco Lopez is also
Sherry. Ano yung order mo, Ate Beng?
I'm gonna drink your alcohol.
What? Alcohol na naman?
No, you ordered a virgin drink and then put alcohol aside. So I just
Okay. Alright, you can do that, dear. Just don't put the alcohol in the piña colada. And then she can have it. So, amo ina diri ang amon nga lugar. Happy Labor Day weekend. Nami ang panahon subong kay nga wala sang init kaayo kag tolerable ang ano ang kainit subong diri. Amo ni nga kadamo sang tawo diri pakita ko lang sa inyo. Gina ano ka picture sila sa tibing. So, amo ina diri. Damo may nag-boating, mga palangga, kita niyo. Galagaw kami whole day kasi Labor Day weekend, that means we're gonna have a break from work. So it's time for us, it's our day to enjoy, it's the weekend for us to enjoy after doing hard work in our lives. Okay, so dalon pa kamo diri ha kay malagaw ta. Baida sila ng mga kano nga na. I don't know. Why ko dai labot sa ila. Hello. Ayan. Happy Labor Day weekend, guys.
Oh, you as well.
Ayan, dito. Look at that cute puppy. Good that I did not bring my puppy. Hello, baby. What's your name?
This is Oliver.
Oliver. Hello, Oliver. I have a small dog too.
Yeah.
His name is Teddy.
Teddy.
Oh, thank you so much. Pomeranian, my dog. That is, what is the breed
He's
of?
a schnoodle, so
yeah.
schnauzer poodle.
They're smart dogs too.
Yeah.
Happy Labor Day weekends, guys. Ayan. Yap, America. Tingnan, pakita ko lang sa inyo ang ano dari ang view sang palibot dari sa restaurant sa ano sa ginakauna naman na restaurant para at least ma-share ko man sa inyo ang palibot dari. Bye-bye, Oliver. Balik na ako to sa akon nga ano nga ginapungkuan daw artista lang ko digalakat-lakat. Sa inyo mo na way kahuya, way na huya si Day Longga Amerika. Balan mo na diri way man pakialamanay diri sa Amerika. Kumano kay imuyas bilog nga kalibutan. Obviously, gotta go inside. I'll show you around here, guys, sa sulod sang Calhoun. Yan mo na diri ang sulod niya. Nami na diri sulod niya. Nasulod na sa sulod sang restaurant pero mas nami sa Sagwa. Nasulod ako diri sa sulod. Amo ini ang sulod niya mga palangga sang restaurant inside. Ayan, ito ang loob niya. Hello. Kita ko lang sa iyo ang sulod sang restaurant, may bar. Wala na nagamask ng mga tao. Dili gusto ko lang makita ninyo nga normal ang pangabuhi namon diri sa Amerika. Paano na lang paano na lang sang ano ano na lang patibaya ng ano ng immunity system. Ito ang ano niya, entry niya dito. Ano, ang ganda ng ano. There you go. Mga pictures. I'm just trying to show you around here, guys. Para at least maano man ninyo. Ma-enjoy man ninyo ang Happy Labor Weekend namon diri sa Amerika. Okay? Gwa na ako. Mas nami tanang sa sagwa kaysa diri sa sulod. Alright. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Miga Gemma. Happy.
Yes, Holly dear.
Kita nyo ang mga Amerikano. Muna sila diri ka walang pakialamanay. Daw nasanay ka naman lang diri sa Amerika. Dapat tabi diri ni ka maghuya-huya sa Amerika. Kay maghuya-huya ka, why ka gid. Ako wala akong pakialam sa ila kung hindi sila mag-ano sa ako. Basta feeling guwapa ako. Okay, gonna sit now, guys. Alright. Naka-live na ako. Naka-live na ako palibot. Hara si Mr. Gay kag si Mr. Lansford. Haraman si Ate Ding. Hariman ako. Utang ko diri ang akon nga, ano. Alive para makita niyo ni Ate Ding. Lang. Kadodo ang... Cheers! Wala pa gani nagatubang kamera. Cheers kada.
Cheers.
Para kami Ate Bing. Islog la de. Naka ako ng pinyakulada.
Coming.
Okay. Ano pa in-order niyo? Dear, did you order nacho?
No, I'm full.
What we gonna eat?
I'm not eating.
Drinks only? Yeah, we just ate in an Indian restaurant. That's why they're full.
Wow, look at that. It's connecting to me.
Really?
I say we do.
It's not.
I say we do it in the thing.
Yes, it is. Look.
Oh, 8 chairs.
We have different size cables.
Hindi makita mo lang na sa imong nga wall. Itag na ka pala. Ay,
Hindi, nandiyan
sige
na.
lang i-con ko lang karon
See? It's
Hello, guys.
It's already there.
Ari kami dire sa Stug balato kay madulo mga akong kamera
I
diri.
got a cable.
Sa tibing. Tang namon da mga plangga kay pas pa ni pato.
Let me see your.
Isdo ka tibing di isdugon ko akon. Transfer ka dito ka o. Isa ka pa bangko may bangko sulod kay ang bed. Nakada lang para niyo. Gonna have just drinks over here, guys. Ayan. Para ma-celebrate kita sa ano ng Labor Day weekend. So, updahan nyo kami dire sa Labor Day weekend naman.
This is why I was laughing.
Is this yours? Where is my water? Why it's small?
I drank half.
Can I have my
I
straw
know,
first,
I know you're
please?
gonna do that.
Well, I couldn't. She's writing the picture.
Have a drink. What?
I know she's gonna do that.
Who's that?
The background of my pictures.
What are you doing, Uncle Ben?
Getting her
Why did you
this
get?
girl walks
Why
right
did
over
you
there, so-
took that one? Look at this, dear. Look at what Uncle Ben did.
Okay, that was
Crazy.
worse. You
This
described
old man
it
is crazy.
There.
worse than it was described.
Of
Yeah.
all the background.
That's what I was getting, trying to get her centered.
Ay, lordy, lordy.
Shame
Should've
on
just-
you.
should've-
So, ari kami
Shame on
mga
me.
langga.
What we're supposed to do is you just wait until it's finished.
Hello. Oh, lutuan.
For that bottle of Pinot Noir is 28.
Hello.
Sound good?
Okay.
Okay.
What is that?
Go ahead and get started.
2 glasses in.
Oh my goodness, my bracelet.
That was so long.
Hari, hoptin nyo kami kay makuhan kami ni Ate Ding. Matungits kami. Oh Lord. I want French fries.
Only your eyes is gonna eat.
No, I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna order something. Just something to go with the Bago lang kami nagkaon na bisa lang yung restaurant, nagkato lang kami dire para mag-inom-inom, ma-celebrate. Hello to Maga Nelski, shout out sa Ibo Palangga.
Right here. Other side.
Cheers.
Cheers! So, ayan, mga Ilongga dire sa Amerika.
Peter Tots.
Yung mga karaya lang yapon. Burgers.
No, see, $4.
Ano pa ba dito? Ang iba dito. Nachos. There you go, dear. Pulled pork nachos.
I'm sure they're
Bacon wrap beef, brisket.
Remember how big those nachos were?
No, we can have just one for that, and then we can just like share because all
I
you guys
finished my water.
are all full. Or
Wow.
chopped potato skin.
Oh, sino? Paputian tayo ng kilikili dyan.
Hubog na nakatubig ba? Nahubog ka katumbal to sa India. Sa ano na, sang tumirik, kaon ka,
I got
chicken
something
curry.
to show you.
fried pickles.
Nothing. Mr. Vince, live.
You're crazy, Uncle
Yeah.
Ben. Of all the background in the world, why you took the picture?
I know.
Walked in
No,
there.
you intentionally did it, Mr. Ben. Because you saw it.
We can crop it out.
Show it
though.
again.
Here.
We're gonna show it in our live.
Okay. It's not. Let's just crop her out of that picture.
Where?
That too.
That picture. We'll just crop her out.
Where?
The one where the girl's down there tying the rope off.
I know. So where is it? Go find her again.
It is a video.
Go find her again.
So, oo, ari kami din ay, visit, ganyan klase.
Wow! Ang daming fans ni
6,000 ano?
ni Teacher Arlen.
Arling. Na-miss ko na si na-miss ko na to.
Daming fans.
Na-miss ko na si Ezekiel kay.
Oh. Ano nangyari? Kung ano yan? Galing yan sa Kwa? Galing yan sa Saudi?
Yeah,
O dito
Michael
lang?
Kors lang na ano ko.
There we go.
Michael Kors.
Okay.
Much better.
Ganda yan.
I got something to show you.
Yeah. Okay, so ari kami, si Inday Ilongga, kag si Ate Bing, Benedicta Lonsford, taga Pututan. Bago lang ni siya abot, talin man sa Pilipinas, nagpakasyon, gindala niya ko bulad. Ano, gindala niya sa akon, bulad.
Party,
Nga
party,
danggit, kag
Panty.
panty, nga
Yeah, I've heard
suin,
it's
git.
pretty nice.
Una, kabalaan nyo.
Here is that for
Ang
us.
ginaari, oh.
Yeah, of course.
Uncle
And then
Ben, I
I have
can
the
show
other
it.
two drinks coming.
Guys, where's my piña colada, my dear?
It is coming.
Ah, thank you.
They're
Ako
taking
rin
out
na
all
side
that.
Takes longer
Let's
because they're
drink
leaving
for
the
the
alcohol.
happy
Yeah,
Labor
we
Day
gotta-
weekend.
And it's frozen.
Gotta siphon the alcohol
Dear,
out.
if I gonna get drunk, you're gonna carry me, right?
Oh dear.
So, let's cheers, Uncle Ben. Gonna drink today. Let's enjoy the
You have to say
Labor
newer.
Day weekend.
Alrighty.
Alright, Ricky, I hope you're here and then enjoy you.
Oh.
That's your fault, Ricky, because you said you're gonna come here. If you came here, then you're here with us right now and enjoying the Labor Day weekend. Yeah, Ricky?
Yeah?
He said that he's gonna be here in Labor Day weekend and then change his mind.
Son.
Now he's just watching
California.
us.
Bummer dudes.
Yep. You
Fairfield.
should be drinking a lot of pina colada right
Honey,
now with
where's
us.
Where's that bat? We're gonna show it to Ricky.
Oh, I cropped it out already.
What did you do? You just toss it?
You can just like
Well, it
reverse
cropped. I guess it
reverse
didn't.
into
Yeah, let's see if I
original.
can do that.
Yeah, you can undo it to original. So we're gonna drink, guys. Sige mo.
Let's see.
Help yourself.
There we
Ano ba
go.
to?
Revert.
Give
Revert
it to
to
red
original.
wine.
There it is.
Pinot Noir.
The butt
I'm
back.
just gonna try this, guys, okay? Thank you, Los Biminda. Cheers, Ricky. Happy Labor Day weekend, Ricky.
Ricky watching.
Yeah.
Hi, Ricky.
Because-
That's Ben's
Hi
hand.
Ricky, did you see that? Did you see that, Ricky? Did you see that? Where is it? Did you see
It's
that?
the Uncle Ben who took it. It's not my fault. It's Uncle Ben. He's silly. So, Uncle Ben, it's your
Okay,
fault.
erase it, honey. Shame on
Okay.
you.
Cheers, cheers, guys. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy Labor Day.
Happy cheers.
Labor Day weekend.
Cheers.
Yan. Cheers, guys. Update nyo kami kay mapahubog kami ni Ate Bing Subong. It's our day. No work tomorrow.
Oh, man.
So we're free. And I have my
yeah,
husband who
You're
will
not,
carry me.
you're not even drink. You are not even drink. So how
I
you
gotta
gonna-
drink it. I gotta try it first.
Cheers.
It's good.
Cheers.
Ow. Why you look at me like that? As if you're the one. Alan is looking at me like he's the one who don't like the taste of the wine.
Yeah.
Well, you will be the driver dear. I'm sorry. You can just have to.
It's a virgin pina colada. But
Sabi ko sa bana ko, I am telling Alan,
She could get drunk
he
off.
cannot have wine because he's driving.
tall and slender
Uncle
there.
Ben is
Driving
drinking.
couple hour.
Yeah, our house is not that near here.
They are here in our domain.
hard to
Yep.
leave.
Kasunod, ikaw
There you
man,
go.
buti ka lang. Oh my goodness, look at this guys. Here, can we have this? Here, hold on. You can
I
order.
don't know.
This
May
one right
you-
here.
may you
Would you like a little more water?
Where's that?
Thank you.
Thank you. This one dear.
The nachos?
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
You want the French fries again?
Shot, 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 shot.
Tanaw lang kamo sa amo na kayo nag-enjoy kami sa kabuhi namon, mga mataam na kami. So we're enjoying our life right now. Piña colada guys.
Ow! Parang
This
pang
is really real celebration of Labor Day weekend.
panggatong sa Petromac.
Ano?
Panggatong sa Petromac.
Ano na?
Alam mo yung Petromac? Oh.
Paris na dali. Ay, hindi pagputang na din. Dito na
Ah,
kasarap sa gram.
Karosin. Gatong sa Petromac. Patay
You
COVID
just
ni.
gonna watch us, Ricky, because you did not come over here in our place. So, live with it, Ricky, whatever. Whatever, Ricky. Where's the napkin here? Dear, can I have my napkin, please? Thank you.
So make sure when you come over here like Friday because everybody is taking off Friday. We have
We
like
have now a
ladies weekend.
meet up party every Friday, Ricky. So, making sure you come here like Friday so you can meet other people here.
So you can taste my fried chicken.
And
Just so.
I discovered a recipe of, what is that, fried chicken, Ricky, and everybody likes it. So we're gonna cook one for you once you come here,
Trademark.
okay? Hi, Joy! Happy weekend, happy Labor Day weekend, Joy! My goodness, ay mo ba yan? Mamaya, pag uwi ko nito, wala na tong damit ko. Puno na ng
Trapo
ano.
na.
Para trapo ko na lang, nidabayo ko karon ba? Kaya na puno na kakuan. Kamansa, kakao na lang pa kayo na. See, ang sarap ng ano nila, piña colada.
Piña colada.
What did you order? You just gonna have that one?
Yeah, I don't want it. Very strong.
Done?
Very strong for me, Ricky. But for you, it's not.
Yeah, rum. She's drinking rum, Ricky.
Yeah.
Pakalasing kami ngayon, Ricky.
Oh, dear.
You're gonna be drunk, Ricky.
What's they call that? It's
Pay,
coconut rum.
coconut rum.
Yeah.
Tuba ni siya. Bahal nga tuba. Coconut rum, pa-English.
Kalinsay.
Pa-English para si Benedicta, pati timo. Kuan man na, bahal man na. Coconut rum ko no order ya pa kuan man timo ba. Nang kita mo nang bago bala nga sanggot nga wala bala na butangan ka balok. Amo na siya. Na, di ba? Puti pa. Amo nang coconut. This is nang dumduman nyo ng mananggot kamo kung aga katuba. Tapos ano, wala sang balok. Amo na siyang ginatawag na coconut rum dire.
Okay.
In the morning and it's really sweet. Remember that? Uway ka, ginuuway ka pa ng gigis, tatay mo ka.
Ba, hindi ba yung tuba, yung parang pula? Ito kwanto eh.
Ano, unod niya? Amo gani hay whitey balok, amo na nga puti siya.
Ah, ganun ba yun?
Tuba
Ganun ba
nga
yun?
whitey balok, kita nyo ng bago nga, no? They call it here, what do you call this rum dear? The one
Coconut
that
rum.
go with my piña colada.
Coconut rum.
Yes.
Coconut rum, so that is bahal. Oh no, not bahal. Tuba ng bago bala sanggot kung aga. Di ba? Mananggot ka kung aga sang tuba. Pagkatapos ni mo pagbutangan ka ano? Ni mo pagbutangan ka balok para maputi siya. Ora, oh, dali dre, kubos nga anak ko, oh, dali di. Binli ko no si kubos ang ano sang tuba. Kaya ate Bing ni ginpainom ko partner sa piña colada ko kaya hindi ko gusto maginom sang ram. Oh, para cheers kita lang ga, sang tuba lang ga oh. Nang tuba bala nga bago kuan sanggot kung
Syuktong.
aga. Tara chuktong, bara mo tuba layo-layo ray mo. Yun ang bago ba lang atuba kung
Tanong
aga,
mo
di ba
kung saan yung
mananggot
syuktong galing sa Bure?
Sabor niya langgaw. Dahil lang tirawan ko kung sabor niya. Hold on guys, I'm gonna try it. Mapait! Ma-upload!
What?
It's what do you call ma-upload in English?
It's
Bitter.
Tar.
Yeah. What is ma-upload
Starchy.
here?
What?
What is
Starchy.
ma-upload in English? What is ma-upload in English?
Tarchy.
Tart?
You know, it tastes like better melon.
Oh, yeah.
Bitter milk.
Yeah, it tastes like that. This one. Remember
Oh,
my
that does,
yeah,
yeah. You say
my
that.
vegetables.
That's why you
Tastes
mix
like
it.
that.
It's tar. It's not tart siya. It's tarchy.
Starchy, okay.
Daw ma-upload anang sabor. bahal gid man raw, bahal. Lain na ng sabor ma-upload.
Starchy.
Ma-upload nga daw
It's not a
maano.
starch like flour. It's star. Tagok.
Daw tagok kuno bala sa nga kuan na tagok bala. Daw tagok kuno sa ano ang iyang sabor.
It's just like a turpentine.
Turpentine.
Happy
Yes.
Labor Day weekend sa
It's just
inyo,
like tobacco.
mga kasimanwa ko, mga Ilonggo, kung di lang kamo, nga parte sa kalibutan. Mayong aga, mayong hapon, mayong gabi, ari kami diri subong sa Knoxville River.
I've never tried the coconut.
Yeah. Tennessee River.
At Tennessee River daw ang tawag sini.
All the way to Mississippi.
Let it
Bali, ining ano ni dire, pakita ko sa inyo ha.
Oh, yeah.
Pakita ko sa inyo ba, ano ni siya, Tebeng, pakat ko sa din.
Tennessee River all the way to Memphis, Tennessee. Mississippi River.
Aha.
The two river between honey, how do you say that? Land between the lake.
Land between the lakes.
Yes. But anyway, river, the longest Tennessee River, the longest river in the history.
Ang ano?
Mississippi, Missouri River.
So, this river will go to Mississippi River, dear.
There,
This
connect
river
to
connecting to Mississippi.
River. All the way to
This one
Memphis.
here.
Yes.
Yeah, right?
Yes, all the way to Florida.
Uncle Ben, know your history, guys. You're the one who are living here in America, not us.
Now they're taking Google.
Google. You don't need to use Google because you've been here. Ricky, you know what it is over here? Can you research the Tennessee River? Kasi hindi alam ng dalawang Amerikano na to. Tagal na nila.
Mississippi River is the longest river in the world.
I know, but connected to Tennessee River.
Ang dalawa nag-research na sila sa suba di sa sa
Yeah.
Tennessee.
Connected to
Maraway nga Heartbread, shout out sa imo. Junalyn Farba, shout out palangga.
there's in the corner the UT University lodging home.
Ara na
Condo.
sa corner na drama condo sa sang University of Tennessee. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, amo na.
Yeah.
Amo na
The-
mga ano.
The best oh, see?
Ano daw? What?
Yeah, it goes
Sabi niya.
around to
Mississippi?
Yes.
Yeah, I told you.
All the way to New Orleans.
However, the Mississippi River, which starts in upstate Minnesota,
Connected to it.
it goes all the way down.
Aray kami din
To
sa
New
higat
Orleans.
sang suba sang Tennessee enjoy sang Labor Day weekend together with our dear friends Uncle Ben and Ate Bing. Ate Bing is an Ilongga fan nga 30 na di kaanyos. 30 na kaanyos dire sa Amerika pa kray alanggapon.
Dinalumot na
Yan.
kray.
Dinalumot na siya di kay star sa Amerika, kray alang gapon. Ang ana nga tuno, way ga kuan way ga minyar anang in English.
Ay, ambot kasi inyo ya
Namalam din diya sa kuan, namalam din diya sa Amerika.
hurricane
Kaya nga nang kinaray pututano ng Gyapon.
reversed the Mississippi flow for
Yan.
about 4 hours.
Hindi nagalubad.
Way pa ko sa Amerika, diri na ni nagmalam.
So, all
Ako
that
yaga
water
14 anyos
coming
lang ko
south,
di ana
reverse
30
flow
sobra
had to
doon.
meet somewhere.
Kaya karayaan ay hindi lang Gyapon nagano amoy na. Way galubad. Ang iban daya maguli magwiskan sa Manila lang, maguli lang gani sa Mindanao hindi daw ko kumaan magilonggo matagalig na sila.
Magtigalig.
Matagalig na sila bisan sa Manila la sanda gani nagadto paguli dato sa kwan sa Marbel hindi do tandak maan maginilonggo
At saka hindi doon ka maan magduldul ng aso.
hindi din magkaon ka bagoong hindi din magkaon ka tinangkong hay di kuno naka-star doon sa Manila di mabuhay-buhay doon Ginoo ko ano nga batasan niya kami ang iba naman niya nga nakapa-Amerika hindi doon kabalo magano mag inilonggo hindi doon kabalo magtaragalog hay di sa Amerika kuno sandahalin kami ani ati bing bisan malam do kami diya karayahanay tanyo ang katanay tanyo hindi ko yung manghangkat ka English ay manguta ko sa English oo ang ako na yan nabalaan karaya
Akala ko ba teacher Arlene yun ang iyong kwan medyo.
hindi kayo may matakong kapadayaw nga hindi takong maan mag-English basta karaya lang yan yung araw muna sinday longga sa Amerika muna ang ginabutangan ko ginapangalan ko may ilongga para mamanaan daya pagka ilongga ko ginapadayaw ko ginakong ilonggo isa nil pa tayo taton kaabot o gani inarte sanda hindi na sanda kamaan magkaon magugong kaga kinotol nga kwan kinotol nga dahon kumuti
Kangkong.
Guys, I'll grab you some plates
Narito
over
pagkaon
there.
namon my lord ayan ang aming ko
Ciao.
ciao guys pulutan pulutan namon guys pulutan
My gosh.
guys there you go
Arlene.
ayan
Mata lang niyang kakain.
you
I'm done.
they're gonna eat it we can bring it home if
Look, it's
ever
got pickle slices.
kaon mo plangga nacho yan
Nacho with the pork barbecue.
Ayan.
Thank you.
Yung pulutan namon. Good ate, you have to try it.
Oh no. I'm full. No. No.
Okay, no one's forcing you to.
Yeah. Baluton to. I-ship sa Pilipinas. No
They
room.
don't want to eat because they're already eaten. So I gonna eat it alone by
We're all
myself.
eating up.
They don't want to eat it. Bahala ko muna kaya pagkaon. Araw namit mga plangga oh.
Yeah.
Cold pork nacho.
Yeah, we just been to buffet. Carne. Goat calderita.
Na nagkaon sila kalderita dito sa sa Indian restaurant.
Ano yung hahaha niya?
Daw siya sa kana pulutan. Pagdaw siya ng istorya mo nga ang iba nga makapamanila lang hindi nakabalo mag-inilonggo mag-uli sa probinsya.
Ay, ilam. Tanakday.
Ilam, natandak nanda no anda nakapadayaw-dayaw bida masikat din sanda. Kung maano na, mabalaan nila nga makapadayaw sanda nga nakapamanila do sanda o nakapa-Amerika o naka-abroad do sanda hindi do sanda maan magano. Mag-inilonggo. Pag uli ko gani da sa Pilipinas, mga classmate ko, abinanda, hindi takon magambal, kakuan ka, inilunggo. Nakibot sanda nga, perti patakon magkraya, lingko da sa ila. Sige lang ko to English, adlaw-adlaw nga tanan, kaya tubang ko English lang. Estudyante ko English, bana ko English, alangan lungkuhon ko na. Dear, langga ta ka.
Yeah.
Say it, palangga ta ka. What is that? Hindi gani ka malo mag-pronounce. Kaya mo na gani nga makaapoy daw kapilit ng dila mo kay
How much
English.
alcohol did you let her have?
Mahal kita.
No, yeah. She got hyped up with what?
Kanding.
Speech.
Kanding.
Kanding.
Nagkaon sang kanding. Kaon tayo mga palangga. Pudutan namon mga palangga.
This is terrible.
Neyland Stadium. I remember when it.
Okay.
Smaller?
There, you want
That
to
was the
try
outside
this?
of the stadium. That was
Coconut
it.
rum?
It's like 5 stories above that now.
I'm not giving
Yeah.
it to him. He's
Let's
driving home.
see.
Yeah.
Yeah. I remember that.
Ay,
Stadium
bagay naman siya
Stadium.
ram. Galing yung damo nilang tubig. Gamay lang.
Open to one of the horseshoe.
Yeah, yeah.
Ohio State had to close off their horseshoe to start keeping up with anybody.
Happy Labor Day weekend sa atong tanan diri sa Amerika.
But
Wala na
Michigan
mahambal
always
ko
got
mga
the right
plangga,
thing
ha?
when they built that stadium.
Maguli gani kamo sa Pilipinas, ni kamo sige pa kuan padayaw nga hindi na kamukmaan magilong.
Sabi niya, nahubog ka na yata.
Di pa ko ya hubog, wait ako nang inom sang kuan.
Yeah, nahubog sa kakatikal.
Nahubog ako sa tikal, bala mo sinday
So
lunggat
they're
ka.
already gone down. They just
Di ka
flattened
tikal
out
nga
the bottom.
binutega, para istorya
Seats
lang.
up on the hill.
Nako,
Well,
bakit ang mga
they needed
teacher,
more
mga
seats.
tikalon?
Now
Kaya
they're
lang nga,
above
sige
it.
lang kakatikal, hindi ka bala magtikal, hindi ka magmestra.
Well, it's probably
ganun ba
safe
yun?
because the sa- even then,
Hindi ka mo
seats
kabalo
aren't that
magtikal,
far
hindi ka mo
above the bowl yet.
magmestra.
Yeah, yeah.
Nakakabalo mo
What happens
magtikal.
when you actually get somewhere
Dami kasi bin,
around,
bala.
Oh no,
Good. Damo kang tao mo.
Big.
fans,
I'm
how
big.
close are you to the football field?
Yeah.
Ginasagod niya, buyon niya, kita niyo
Felt like
buyon
we
na.
grew up-
we are there.
Nag-taplik-taplik, buyon na.
Oh, you know,
Capacity had been
Sab
not expanded.
magre-retire na pala ako next year. Kaya hindi daw ako pwedeng mag-adapt dahil sabi ng W, ano yun?
DSWD.
Yeah, sa Pinas,
It's like this
kwan,
stadium, they keep
hindi daw pwede akong mag-adapt
Going up and out.
dahil matanda na raw
All you
ako.
can do is close
Lani
off
siya
the
bata
horseshoe.
ba?
Yeah.
Di ma-adapt tani siya, galing ang bansang DSWD, saya sa Pilipinas, hindi na daw siya pwede ka-adapt.
Yeah,
Ma-adapt tani siya kay napdos niya, idalo niya din.
hindi daw pwede
Hindi na
dahil
daw pwede, malam din. Gurang na, gurang.
kurang.
Gurang na siya kay... Pinalidad mo kay kapag 60 eh.
Yeah, pero kwan na, malapit na. Mag-adapt ka daw mga dyan sa mga 45.
Hindi na,
Hindi ka na pwedeng mag-anak pag over 50 ka na.
hindi na ako mapwede ka.
Watch this little bird.
Adapt
catch
samon,
this
kaya
first
kuya
drive.
54 duman. At ibig malam duman na. So hindi na siya pwede ka-adapt. Namit tayo.
Tries almost
Yes.
as big as bird.
How
Yeah,
about
I
you
guess
people? You don't want this? I'm just gonna eat alone by myself?
Oh,
Yeah,
we're full.
Take it to Nick.
we ate a lot.
Yeah.
Take it to Nick.
I did not eat a lot.
Okay. Well, now's your
I'm gonna eat
chance.
by myself.
Take it to your stepson, Nick.
Mainit na, nag-ainit na. Anong oras na ba niyo?
It feels good.
Namit.
Sunshine. It's good. So that way, hindi ka magka-COVID.
Sabi nyo, ang bulong sa COVID, magpainit ka mo. Hindi ka mo sige panago sa sulod, kay lulugang COVID nyo.
Yeah, magka-anemic.
Magka-anemic ka mo, magka-high blood, maka-stress pa ka mo.
Anemic led to leukemia.
So mas maayo nga, subong nga panahon, amo nang dagadugang, nagigay sige nang dagtago, yatawo. You should let them. Good morning, I love you langga, Era Dion San. Kaon taga oh, Nacho. Happy Labor Day weekend. Nag-celebrate kami para daw sa Diaman.
And I love you, sino yan, Era Dion.
Kinablusan ko ah.
Ha?
Mga kinablusan ko, tibing.
Wow.
Langga ko sa mga kinablusan ko. Kaon tayo mapahubog kami ni Ate Bing kay Labor Day weekend.
Hindi na ako makakahinga sa sobrang busog.
Sabi mo ang kanting, bugas sa tiyan.
Oo, grabe.
Kaon ko na duha lang ka slice.
Oo.
Kaon sila sa kalderita, kambing sa Indian restaurant.
Ang sarap na simoy ng hangin.
Yak, malamig. Ganda ngayon dito mga plangga.
Wow.
Hello Naomi, happy Labor Day weekend. I love you sa inyo mga gwapa, parente, mga ilongga, tada, ante, may gahom, powerful, mga ilong, oh. Tanong pagka, ano, pareho kami kurapa. Powerful ang mga ilong namon. Amo lang ni mga kurapa, nga mga powerful.
115,000 in Michigan State.
Mga kurapa, nga mga powerful.
Powerful ha.
Powerful ang ilong.
Kamusta pala dyan? Ano, mga lockdown kayo? O no movement? Anong pagkabutang?
Nasa abroad na sila.
Ay,
Saudi, Qatar,
Oh,
Kuwait.
kakagaling lang namin ng Qatar.
Ayan nyo, tingnan nyo, nagbili siya doon ng kwenta sa
Ah,
Qatar.
yeah, yeah. Remembrance ko to sa
Ayan,
Qatar.
ayan. Bumili siya dyan, nagdaan sila sa Qatar papuntang Pilipinas last time.
Yeah.
Pero hindi niya ako dinalhan ng pasalubong, yung kapante lang dinala niya sa akong bulad.
Pagsawaan ko muna.
Pante nga suin, bala nyo ng pante nga suin.
Nako.
Na naminami na siya ba? Kung gaan nyo ko sang pante suin lang, sold
So?
na ako da.
So, and.
So, in. So, and. Amo na siya mga plangga.
I saw.
Ariyo. Ariyo, kurapa, oh.
Sus na lang.
Yung ilungga, ginailog ba? Do mga kuha na. Mga kurapa,
Pro.
mga ilong.
Thank you. Thank you,
Kurapa, pero pagayan man.
Number 5 on the list.
Amo na siyang content.
you.
Ang Ate Beng.
So Michigan's still only officially 107.
Napututan.
But they fit
Baka yan.
115.
Oh Lord, I cannot eat this anymore. Pulutan na mo, no?
Thank you.
Muna diri ang
Wow,
Amerika.
guwaps.
There's a bunch of places.
Ilong mga
102.
gahong powerful.
Mga gaho, mga powerful ang ilong.
4 places.
Oh dear.
Ay kami di sa igadsang kwan sang suba. Kay Labor Day weekend subong diri amo ni nga kwan buwas wa isang trabaho. Holiday diri sa amon buwas.
Texas,
Hasta buwas.
Ayun ang headquarter ng movie theater namin sa Kwan. First the street.
Arang headquarters sang ano, sang movie sa First District,
Yeah.
sang Tennessee.
Texas is now going to be
Mga Tennessee diri makita nyo ng ano. Amo na diri ang Tennessee mga palangga. Ari kami sa downtown sa higat sang downtown sang Tennessee.
Knoxville, Tennessee.
Knoxville, Tennessee. Ara kami sa Knoxville, Tennessee sa ano sa downtown dapat. So ari kami sa Calhoun Restaurant.
Nothing's
May
accurate.
haraman sila sa babaw, may haraman sa sila sulod roy namin sa Sagwa.
Yeah.
It's always been a
Yeah, datua nga ilong ni.
There are people that actually park in South
Ila
Knoxville.
padayaw ya kuno pagkakurapa ya kay dira siya na in love ya bana sa iya nga pagkakurapa.
Yeah, this is my gahom. This is my datua ni ilong.
And parking garage is over
Mabilis
this
tong
way.
magkwan.
Back on the other side of Gay Street.
Grabe ang
Amoy.
grabe ang ano niya sense of smell niya.
Yeah.
Hello, friend Connie Parker in Ohio. Kumusta ka na? Kumusta ka na, friend? Yung si friend ko na maganda, kasing ganda ko. Si Connie Parker. This is my friend here now. Okay, that's my good friend over there in Ohio.
Yeah,
This is my good friend here, ganda Connie.
there are people that
Si
sell
Ate Bing.
spots make a lot of money.
Yan
on
ang,
game day.
ito na ang partner ko sa inuman, hindi na kayo.
At sa tong it's too.
Sa tong it's too. Katong it's sila, di ba?
So, did you bring your sewing machine?
Sweet sewing.
Did you bring your chainsaw?
You bring your chairs?
Yeah, it's already outside.
It's in the house.
First of all, why are we sending these chairs to the Philippines?
Because they have nowhere to sit.
Bakit di ka na bumili ng
Buy
dara
some
doon?
chairs there.
That's what I'm sort of.
Arlene, oo, namin din lakat
But
na
I
si
would take
Arlene.
them away
Arlene
apart.
Thornton.
This
Great
was
Arlene, happy Arlene Thornton. Sa man. Ilolangga Arlene, isa
The-
pagka,
to cut
ilongga
the
nga guwapa,
legs?
diri sa Tennessee. Ari kami
Why
diga
not?
sa Calhoun.
Kasi,
Na-celebrate sang Labor Day weekend.
back
Happy
together.
Labor Day
no, they don't
weekend.
have no attachment though.
We need to get together soon, Arlene. We miss you
I can
guys.
take them apart so you can take
Oh
put it
no,
back
that's,
together.
I'm afraid it might fall apart.
No. No.
Because
Yeah, definitely not.
there's the chairs that they attach it together with the screw. Somehow this one is direct. because it's
Kaon-kaon
sold.
kita sang pulled pork nachos.
You can check it. But I want the print to send back home.
I see. Now these are one piece. There, that's a
Ay na, ururukod ka sa
Ba-
laboratory.
ba-
Init na ba?
We don't have to. We don't have to do that. We don't have to do that. You know, Arlen husband. I want him to cut the chairs. so I can send it back home.
Silang ni Arlen, no? Silang ni Arlen, no? Kurapa man ko kung mag-upod kita, damo na kita. Uy, amo na asosasyon ta diri Arlen.
Ha?
Hindi ka na imo ya magsiling nga taas, imo ilong.
Yeah.
Ay, daan na akong presidente niyo sa
Let me see.
pagkakurapa, oh. Kurapa Association of Tennessee. Kurapa Association. Kurapa Ilong Association of
The
East
back piece
Tennessee.
is one solid piece.
Nabuto ko ang ako na kaugalingon nga presidente sa mga kurapa.
Now, I rather to carry.
Lakat ka
Just
ba
get it
ka
over there.
ba? Message ko sa akong nga kay para dalaan ta kasunod sang manok pag
It's
itlog.
okay. Look, did you say that the Thompson?
Are you gonna just
Si Ate Bing, permi nagakuha sang kuwan sa amon ba?
Yes.
Manok, kag itlog. Nakumpraya pag ani kisa.
you call your
Ay,
spoon?
ginaano man niya diri sa ano.
Cheers for little people.
Let me try to take them apart
No,
first.
I don't want to
Yes.
take I don't want
If
to.
you take it apart,
You have my, oh,
I can show you how to take the seeds apart and the legs
so
off.
amoy niya amon kinabuhi diri, mga pinalangga. Arlene, dali na di, mainom kita, mapahubog kita kay Labor Day weekend, subong.
And they're
No,
Hindi ka na daw pakita ka na kay Nano, ara pagit si Dani.
fragile.
Hello, Dani, man.
no,
Be, Dani.
cutting them
Si Dani nga ni Lunggo man ni, taga Bagumbayan. Kay Star man diri sa Tennessee,
I
sa
was going to cut
Kingsport.
them up. I thought the way that
Naway nga Dani, din ka naway ka nagkapabatyag kay ate mo, Arlene, bantay ka lang ba?
so that then I could go in from the backside.
Tatahon ka Dani ba?
Later.
Pakita na kantin.
Oh, there's yak over there.
I'll show you how to do it. You
Yun
don't
yung
have to
colada.
cut them apart, and it'll be
And
safer
wine,
and
red
better
wine.
when they get there. You
Well,
don't want to break the integrity of the back.
it's
Happy
already
Labor Day
it's
weekend,
already
when ako
broke.
nag-stick ba?
But I like
Nag-stick ba?
I wanna shape the frame.
That's why if we take it
Right.
apart, it'd be even
Oh,
smaller.
Lordy.
Take it apart, it will be smaller.
I
Smaller.
cannot take it anymore, guys. I'm
realize I
so
didn't look at
full.
this.
Because we're gonna put some of the
Wala ka man
item
na bilang
too.
pakita, busy
Right,
kasi
you
imo
can-
manukan. No,
But
gaya
you
ka
don't-
hindani ka
you
wa.
don't have the capacity
Hindi ka
to
kakalakat
put
sa
as much
blayaw,
in
ay
the box.
kakontrol ko blayaw.
Yes, I do too.
Kuan ka lang, ma-message ka
No,
gilang
it's I
ate,
do
ate
too.
Inday,
We're gonna
makato
put
ate,
clothing,
Arlene,
we're
makato
gonna
ko na
put
kanimo.
shampoos,
That's right.
Dokos
But
balay,
you
ay
can still
matulat
put
ak
all of
manok.
that and have the chairs whole.
Manubutak manok. Mga sano kay birthday mo,
We'll
buhay pa
see.
no?
I'm telling you.
Ano birthday mo
December,
kay lutuan ta ka manok ka.
They do come apart.
The problem is probably
Ano kay
the
birthday mo
people
September
didn't
doon,
want
di
to
ba?
put it back
Dani?
together.
Sano imo
Don't
birthday
forget
kaniya?
about it.
Kay ma-celebrate kita, malakat ko.
I get it.
Lakat kami
I
ate
can
Bing.
give them step-by-step
Lutuan ta ka manok.
instructions on how to put it back together.
I don't have to go to that degree.
Sano
Did
ka?
you see
si
that
12
Thompson?
birthday? Ay, di po.
That
Ga,
chair?
anniversary gina sang
They
hawod
just
ba?
got
Di
it.
manok kita?
It's supposed to be high, but they
Dapat
just
mo
bring
pala,
it
tandaan
lower.
ko
So
birthday
they
mo
just got it
September
like
eh.
that, and that's it.
Di manok taga. Birthday ka rin ni Daddy sa
Well, then
September
what do you do?
12.
Put them on milk crates? And
Ano, mga partita? I-message ko kay.
you're gonna put some
Sa din ta ma-party, bali lang ko kay ma-kwanta,
No, di na-
maluto ko adobo.
Yeah, they already
So,
have
anta ka adobo nga manok. Nga,
they
native.
already have
Ano,
support.
hambalan mo ko kung ano yung celebration din, tama celebrate. September 12, that is, Domingo na siya, aga ba? Din tama celebrate sa birthday mo. Celebrate ta. Lugay na nga daan ta last year, wala nga daan ta ka-celebrate sa
Oh,
birthday
it's
mo.
COVID.
COVID ka na.
Ah,
Isa lang COVID.
walang may pupunta dahil mga takot sa COVID.
Immune na kami sa COVID.
Immune, ngayon lang yan nagpa-shot.
Immune sa laswa.
Oh.
Ang inyo lang nakatagapang, pero may kagaragoso, manula ng inyong COVID.
After I cut it.
Yeah.
I didn't realize quite as many.
Yeah.
Kita nyo ning sidla
I
kadlaw,
found all the big
sana
ones
inakabulong sa
rapidly.
COVID.
It's all the smaller ones that say.
Bulong na ina, Dani, sabta ako, din kita mag-celebrate ka birthday mo sa pizza 12, dali ah.
Ah, naku, hayaan mo na yan. No. Don't retaliate, dudes. It's COVID. Nobody's gonna come.
Di kita lang eh. Pili mo na.
Well,
Celebrate ah.
anyway, are you on call next weekend?
I don't know. I've got most of this month because Amy and Jordan are going to be gone the second
Hubog ako sa Piñacolada.
So I don't think I'm on call this weekend.
Ang mga kurapa ilong, ang mga ilongga diri sa Amerika, pero mga guwapa. Kanyo, mga guwapa lang kami gyapon, hindi ka mo magkambal nga malaway kami kay may ranaway kita.
Naku look at that. She's a dirty blonde. Look at this. This is a dirty blonde.
Landang buhok ko subong.
Yeah.
For a change. Ako'y man perminang ikuwi mo ang mga buhok.
They call it brunette.
Ano color niya?
Brunette.
Red.
Yeah.
Caramel blonde, di na.
Oh, caramel
That's
blonde.
not blonde.
What
Dirty
then?
blonde.
That is
Brunette.
brown. Brunette.
See?
Brown blonde. Brown blonde ko
Reddish
ng buhok.
tint to it.
Ha?
With a reddish tint to it.
Not a blonde brunette.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
It
a
has
dirt. It's a
highlight.
dirt. It's a dirty black.
It has highlights. Look at the dog there. Look at the dog. Very nice.
Pyrenees. Pyrenees
Behave.
dog.
Behave. He's
Oh.
just sitting there. Look at him.
Oh, why the, did you bring Teddy with you?
There's a doggy here, 2 doggies over there.
Oh, okay.
Init.
Oh, okay.
Hindi na pala ng panahon kasi naman dito na lang siya matulog at least.
Ah, yeah, Teddy is a bad boy. He's gonna be yup, yup, yup.
Yeah, these guys are not barky. Oh, there's a little,
Yeah.
well, at first I thought it was a little
Init,
Jack
but then
Russell,
it's still humid.
Rosie.
Yeah.
Gusto ko na lang niya kung hindi sila magkaon sa pagkaon ko ay nakuwi na sa lugar.
Na
Gusto na lang makaon.
nice sunshine, see? Sunshine on your face.
You should get sun,
Yeah.
guys. Amoy ng
Vitamin
sekreto.
D.
Amoy ng sekreto para hindi ka magka-COVID. You need to get out
Yes.
or to go out and get some sun. You don't need to be with other people to get some sun. So,
Yeah, it's
Get
good
out.
for.
Fourth of a glass.
I will ate, salamat. I'll let you know pag maka-timing. Every weekend, galakat man kami, Deriga. Kung gusto mo mag-kuhan sang sang manok, message mo lang ako, kay dalaan ta ka. Nami ang manok. Native, dalawa si Ate Bing. Naadik na nakamanok naman. Hindi na siya magkaon sang manok na iban. Manok ko na lang nang ginakaon niya.
Yeah,
Ay, healthy.
as long as she cook it for me, I don't mind at all.
Lutuon mo lang galing kay ang iya nga weakness na iya luto ay pahakuta lang kuan kasi nako hindi lang pagpapalutuan.
Yeah, ilagay mo lang sa freezer anytime may party at saka mga dinner, lunch, init mo na lang.
Good. I-message mo lang ko kay para kung kung gusto mo sang itlog kag manok. Para every weekend usually or Friday galakat man kami dire. Kay wala problema. Malapit siya ng Knoxville. Kuan lang namo na.
Sino?
Kay nami na ang adobo. Ay oo namin nami gid ka kay balan mo kuan. Native.
Sino ang kwan?
Charlene. Charlene na torto na.
Ah, yeah.
Diba di niya balay si Beerville o dire?
Siberville.
Si Beerville Charlene.
Hindi ba, darling, sa Siberville ka?
Arlene Thornton din kagani lang ga si
Si
Beerville o
Beerville.
dire sa Knoxville.
No, Siberville. Doon yan siya nagtatrabaho, Siberville.
Si Beerville ba si Arlene?
Yeah.
Sabi ko dire na siya sa Knoxville. Ah, dire na siya sa Knoxville. Arlene Delgado Thornton din kagani lang ga din ganin yung balaya. Dire sa Knoxville, di ba?
I think
Kasi naglakad mo sila.
we're good for right now.
Chicken for me.
Can we have some take home? Yeah.
I didn't know when you were going
Sa
to
Dandridge.
On our way
Dandridge.
through,
Dandridge.
when on our way through,
okay.
I
Kasi
called.
pero sa Sir
Close to,
Beerville siya
BB.
nag-obra.
He's not home.
BB
basta Barangay.
Franklin. Yeah, okay.
So we just kept
Ah,
driving
sige
through.
ka. Pwede man gapon kay nag-order maganit ko si
Evelyn?
Mary Jane kag si Marjorie sa akong sang manok kag itlog. Nara gani kami
Yep.
dala nga manok ni Marjorie
So
so.
you're going to be there all day?
Marjorie,
Yeah.
lala mo na itong sa party.
Yeah.
Lala kami lang.
Okay.
Oo, hambali lang ko ka kay dalaan ta ka.
I'll get a hold of David and figure out what he wants to do.
Tilawan mo ang itlog kag manok ko niya kagin maginulso sa bilog mo kinabuhi Arlene.
Wow,
Mahambal ka nga maliwat kapag
Wow,
si Marjorie gani hindi na daw siya magbakas ang manok sa kon dito na lang siya makuha sa. Damdamo dan manok ko.
hindi pa niya natikman yung manok.
Yeah. I figured you were on the
Kay
golf
Elmer.
course by the time I called.
Okay.
Kaya sabi ni Elmer
Oh,
kasi
he's
si
out
Elmer
on the golf
kumukuha.
course. He was going to pick it up then.
Hindi na rin bumibili si Elmer na
So,
gusto
all right,
niya.
I'll get a hold of
Kumuha
David
siya
and
nung
find out what
una.
he wants to do.
Ngayon, nung lately na pumunta kami sa inyo, nakuha din siya ng 5 ulit.
All right, thank
Kasi
you.
ang sarap daw sa
Have a good
tinola.
one.
Ilan ba silang magpamilya? Hindi ba?
Elmer's not home
5?
till Tuesday.
Apat.
Apat? Dalawang girl? Yeah.
Dalawang anak at saka silang dalawa.
Yeah.
So he will gladly pay you.
Hello, Langga, Dansky. O, sa Dandridge. Ay, dito to sa Dandridge. Sa ito, di ba?
Doon. Doon kay Bibi.
O, Dandridge, gali Charlene. Sabi ko sa diretso sa Knoxville.
Akala ko sa Silverville kasi doon siya nagtatrabaho.
Oh, Lord, I'm full. I'm done.
Well, so far as I know, Bib's there, my husband is gonna taking care of the dog. I'm gonna go hit the bed when I get home. Remember, I don't sleep all night.
Dogs
Why,
are
what
done
did you
asking
do?
about you.
Why, what did you do?
Still alive.
Yakking in the Philippines.
Okay, dear.
Yeah.
Elmer's not home until Tuesday.
So who is there now?
Nobody's at his
We
house.
just gotta go to the house of Marjorie.
So you'll have to call and tell him and we'll...
Daniel is over there. I gotta call Daniel. I have his number.
called Daniel. He didn't answer.
Well, what time is it? Because maybe he's at work.
4.
I'll text him.
Are we gonna go home before it's dark?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ay, pwede kita ma-meet sa Sevierville
So,
man ate Hoga. Subong gani may dala ko kay Marge kay nag-message sa akon kay ina. Sa ano sa kuha na lang sa
So,
next
Friday.
weekend na lang sa Friday.
Alan,
Let me
dalaan
know
ka sa
kay
ba-
dalaan ta ka para ma-try mo.
stop over the house. You need to cut the chair.
Yeah, we can go there now.
Well, we can go by your place so I can look at those chairs.
All right.
Okay. Okay mga palangga. Sige Len, i-message lang ko ga kay dalaan ta ka kay siling ni Marge ano man daw siya ma-comment siya
Oh
sa
yeah, sure.
manok every week na. So dalaan ta lang kalangga.
What?
Hello Ning, happy
Honey,
Memorial Week. Happy
No comment,
Happy
but it's
Labor
dry.
Weekend.
That chair, it's like I said, you know, the life of the chair is numbered. Okay?
Yeah,
So
you shorten it by cutting the leg.
that's right. That's right.
Ari kami diri sa
Well,
Knoxville
because it takes
River
forever
sa
to
Calhoun
think because it's
Restaurant.
crusted. Like I said,
Kaya
that chair is
celebrate
kinda-
sang Labor Day weekend. So
Okay.
bye-bye for now mga palangga, laba-laba na ni akon nga
Okay,
kwan ba.
we're just gonna put it in a...
Nga live. So happy Labor Day weekend. Stay safe and healthy. Hello Ning, malugawas na ako sa akon nga live palangga. Love you palangga, love you mga pinalangga ko.
Eat this.
Mara siya
It's
tibing
good.
mapakita pa siya
Eat
kaya
this.
alas niya ano.
Eat this. It's good for the hair. It's good for the skin.
I was told to drop
Why
it
are you
at
using
Elmer's
that?
house. So that I didn't
Of
have to
course,
go
why
far
not?
off the freeway.
Amo na ako
Yeah.
ginabutang
And
video
Yeah.
try na buhok ko ginabutang.
You wanna put mayonnaise in your hair?
Araw. Model na siya sa mayonnaise.
And then just put
Lugay na
plastic.
ka mayonnaise ay lubig lang na ginagamit. Sabi niya siya, tibing way nagagamit sa maralon ba, lubi lang na ba. Pati sa guya niya, lubi lang na niyog. Ginausap niya lang ng yang lubi ba. Tapos ibutang niya sa buhok na kagi sa iyang.
I'll pay for it.
Ay, ginoo. Way nagabago alin sa una pagalin na sa Iloilo amo lang gyapon.
No, we'll taking care of this. We'll get some chicken from them. Yes.
All right, guys. Bye-bye. And we love you guys.
No, but
Happy Labor Day
We're
weekend.
only ahead of them when it comes to the bill.